down.
Hi, I am Purva and welcome to my channel Purva Chodia Fitness. In this video, I am going to show you workout for your obliques, that is love handles with alternate cardio work. This workout, you don't need any equipments, so you can do this anywhere, anytime. So let's just get started. After your warm-up is done, we will start with sprint for about 45 seconds to 1 minute. It will boost your energy, increase your heart rate, and make you more aware and active for other exercise that I am about to show you. So before getting ready for your workout, make sure you guys do up to 1 to 2 minutes of some cardio workout after the warm-up. You will see better results in your workout after the cardio activities. After cardio, we will start with diagonal mountain climbers. Take a plank position where your body is supported by your arms and your toes. Then you have to diagonally move your legs inward towards the chest and then continue doing it alternatively. While doing this, make sure you're engaging your core and keeping your core muscles tight. For cardio, we will be doing plank jacks. Start with a plank position. Then keep your arms in shoulder line supported by your wrist. Your body is in straight line and now jump like jumping jacks while spreading your feet beyond hip joint. Bring your legs back to the position and repeat for the 25 times. After plank jacks are done, we will be focusing on our oblique muscles by doing Russian twists. For Russian twist, start off with your back at 45 degrees and your leg raised at 45 degrees from the ground. You can bend your knees for more stability and balance, and then move your torso from right to left and then continue. For cardio, we will be doing jumping jacks. Begin by standing with your legs at hip distance apart and arms aside. Then while jumping, spread your legs beyond hip distance and arm above head almost touching. Now get back to position and continue. For the next oblique workout, we are doing alternate V-ups. For that, you have to lay on the floor while stretching your legs and arms apart. Then you have to raise your left leg and right hand together to touch your toes. Then raise right leg and left hand and continue doing it alternatively. It's okay if your knees bend, but make sure there is a crunch movement in your abdominal. After oblique workout is done, we are again going to do some cardio workout. So for cardio workout, we are doing step-ups. For this, you need a stepper box or maybe a steps. So you simply have to jump up and down, bringing your hands together for balance. Jump up and down. For obliques, we are doing ankle taps. For this, you have to lay on the floor with legs at hip distance apart and simply try to touch your ankles while moving your torso. Touch each ankle alternatively while bending that torso. So guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you want me to make more videos, you can let me know in the comment box below. Thank you for watching. I'll be back soon. Till then, stay fit and stay happy.